Guys, welcome back to the channel. I have the new CC Designs release to share with you. My favorite 60 right now is this heart balloon set by My Favorite Things. It'll pop into your cart once you reach $60. If you already have this die, let me know in your order comments box and I'll send you something else. It's while supplies last. So for CC Designs, I just fell in love with the stamp set, and you always need a great baby set to have in your stash for when you have those baby showers. And I thought this one was perfect. It is so cute. I love the illustration, and it's called Oh My Baby. You get 4 little babies, and the sentiments are really, really cute. I love the font on them. Oh my baby, baby of mine, congratulations and welcome, sweet baby. There is a coordinating die that you can pick up. So this one here is called February March stamp set, and it features holidays in both of those months. We've got the 2 peas in a pod, a little bumblebee, a little rabbit with a bow and arrow, a butterfly, an egg, a little pig with a 4-leaf clover. The sentiments read, peas, be mine Valentine, happy Valentine's Day, you're excellent, butterfly wishes to you, you're my lucky charm, and happy Easter. And there is a coordinating die available for this set as well. So the next 3 are buildables, and this is the buildable cat. You get all the parts to make this cute little cat. We've got a cute little bear and a cute little bunny rabbit. And these are adorable to put on treat bags. I think those are really, really cute like that. And there is this little die here that's the baby accessories die. And they are perfect size to decorate these little guys. You could put the little bib on them and turn that into a little baby card. Very, very cute. So that is the new release from CC Designs. I will have the link down below to the section in the shop. Thanks for shopping, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and I will catch you real soon. Bye, guys.